Not every road takes you somewhere. Some roads transform you. At the base of Hada Mountain, the journey begins. A road stretching into the unknown. Quiet, raw, untouched. You don't just ride this road. You feel it. As the climb begins, the world slowly starts to change. The air gets lighter. The curves get sharper. And every turn pulls you deeper into the mountain. This isn't just a road. It's a rhythm. A dance between control and freedom. Where every curve tells a story. Higher and higher. The valley begins to fall behind. And suddenly, you realize how small everything below really is. The turns get tighter. Sharper. More intense. One wrong move, and the mountain reminds you who's in control. Halfway up, the view changes everything. The silence. The distance. The perspective. The desert fades. And life begins to appear. Green replaces gold. And the air carries a different story. Then, the fog rolls in. The road disappears into the unknown. And all you have is the path ahead. Surrounded by nature. You stop chasing the destination. And start living the moment. The higher you go, the more the world fades away. Just you, the machine, and the mountain. And then, you rise above it all.